Hello, this is HVS for you, and today I'm here again with another video for you people. In case you're planning to add a skin to your laptop or something, it even works for mobile phones. This is common for anything, and you might wonder why I've been using these things with me right now. There's a small knife. You can use a craft blade instead. There is a toilet paper. You can use general tissues that you get for 10 rupees from the Premier company, and this is a hand sanitizer. I'm using this because there is 75% alcohol in this. I can use this to rub these stain marks on my laptop. And there is one, I don't want to address this thing. This is a sticker which I got for my t-shirts from Bewakoof website. And there is one more thing that is important. This, not this cardboard roll, but there's a skin inside this which I got from Arjun Designs seller. He's from Amazon, and this is not a sponsored video. I just got this 2 days back. I just want to change the look of my laptop. Let me check at which part I can stick this. There is enough room for mine, I guess. Yeah, this works fine. This thing works fine, I guess. These are some gum stain marks. I don't know what it's related to. This might take a lot of time. I'll just zap this video up. These things should come off fine. But I think even this is gonna leave some gum traces on my laptop. There's a patch over here. I don't know in case you're able to see this. There is a white stain over here. This is all gum. I should try my best to pull this off. I'm done with these Avara days. Alcohol is best for anything. I mean, in case you're trying to work on something, it works well. Don't get me in the wrong way. Alcohol is injurious to health. So first of all, trace the way you want to have the skin on yours. Basically, I advise to have it in the same direction of your laptop's body, because when you open this, let me show you. I've always seen people sticking them in the reverse way. For example, since you're opening your laptop in this direction, most of the skins are attached facing you in this way. But that's wrong, because you won't be watching your laptop this way. People are gonna watch it. Just open it up. So this is the body. So you have to stick in this direction. So the same goes with this paper. Let me keep this to my direction again. I don't want to mess this. Never press on these corners, because there is something else we have to do in that areas. This is just the preliminary attachment instructions, but going ahead, I won't be using my fingers again for attaching these things. I'm gonna use a payment card, or you can use a soft cloth to keep pressure on this one. I'm keeping a lot of tension at this end so that it won't become loose at this part and get overfolded. Luckily, this is in a perfect condition right now. And one thing I have to do is cut the excess parts. This is an unplanned video, so I don't have everything with me right now to the perfection or to the precision. At last I've found a shaving blade at my home. this is how it looks in the end, and I'll be pasting a product description and also my feedback on this and the link to the product. That's all for today. Stay home, stay safe, bye bye, take care of your family. See you all soon once this shit ends.